Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right, keep your voices down. Storm driving.
Turn on the wipers. Emma, what are you doing? Turn on the wipers.
I just hope a storm doesn't happen.
If the storm hits the guy, I will make
It's raining, but I hope thunder doesn't happen. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. It looks like, now the window looks like a seesaw.
I was doing it to my window.
My window looks like a seesaw. Seesaw.
Window looks like a seesaw.
Like a seesaw.
A seesaw? What's a seesaw?
It's like a side thingy with like a slash thingy and shouting down like that.
Oh,
Look at that. Exit.
Tell Daddy what Oh my
Wake
gosh.
up. Oh my god. It's going on. The wind is going. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I just hope a thunder doesn't happen.
Look, it's still sunny. You know what you call it? When it's still sunny? A witch's wedding.
I think
That's what we call it.
the car window, the windshield has
know
the
what they
most rain.
Yeah, the raindrops are going up and up because the
You
wind
like
is.
that?
I think I know why, because the wind. Because of the wind.
The windshield's more scarier than ours, though.
We just have raindrop races too.
Oh, the wind is getting heavy and heavier. The wind is getting heavy and heavy. Heavier. What's the weather?
Right to green.
What's the weather? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a... Uh-oh. At 3 p.m. it will be thunderstorming.
Tell me what you're looking for now.
It will be at 4 p.m. it will be bad thunderstorming. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. And now the GoPro takes this. Whoa! Look at